Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SKT213 in the color orange. Alright, let's grab our scissors. Let's open it on up. Okay, inside each box, you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal mattress box. And you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. But first, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. And then we will remove the plate for installation. Nice and simple. Grab at the edges with your fingertips, push forward with your palm. Repeat the process on the other side. Plate comes off nice and easy, just like that. Okay. At the side here are your screw holes. That's where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your mattress box. On the front here is two 13-amp plug sockets. And then let's flip it on over. Here is our grounding wire. We have 4 terminal hole screws there. You can see the 13-amp 250-volt written on the back of it there. Also at the top it has the BS certification, which is the British Standard certification, so that you can sell electrical products in the UK. So you can buy that with peace of mind, knowing that we have it on there. Okay, flipping it back over, let's put our plate back on. Okay. And then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. Okay, on the one side, you have a whole bunch of different social media platforms. If you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, that'd be greatly appreciated. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone, email, or live messenger. In the bottom right-hand corner, you have a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install our products. Okay, finally, let's just take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, at the back at the bottom is our SKU code, the ART-SKT213LOR for orange. The SKT is the socket to 13-amp sockets. And then in the center here is our barcode, and in the top left-hand corner is another QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi page, and you can see our full range of products there. Finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice a recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here. So you know this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day. So please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below is what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.